all too real. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true in the game you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain. I said, boy, I love your face. When it hurt, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. With you.
There is someone who stayed strong when no one noticed. He carried responsibility instead of words. He didn't always know how to show it, but his love never left. I have something that can help him feel less alone. If your heart went to your father, Lincoln Bobby.
I could stay there, close my eyes,